Good morning. It is cruise day. Just wanted to come out and show you what I see bright and early this morning. It's around 6:15, and we are staying at the Crown Plaza at Airport Cruise Port in Fort Lauderdale. So just wanted to show you my morning view. Look at this beautiful lady right here. There she is. She is gorgeous. She is in port. And we are ready to board her. So just wanted to come on and give you guys a quick update. She's ready and waiting, and we are ready to go. So we are going to get our day started. We are ready to enjoy the next 7 days aboard this beautiful lady here, and we hope that you guys come along for the ride and enjoy whatever we show. We don't have a set plan in place, how we do. We just kind of go with the flow. So hey, enjoy it, and we hope to see you on board. Bye guys.